Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on the best vegetables to unclog arteries naturally. Heart health is crucial for overall well-being, impacting energy levels and longevity. A healthy heart reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other severe conditions. One of the most effective ways to support heart health is diet, specifically by incorporating nutrient-rich vegetables to help clear arteries and improve circulation. In this video, we'll explore a variety of vegetables that are not only delicious, but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These powerful foods can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and promote better blood flow. You can take actionable steps toward a healthier heart by making simple meal changes. So, if you're ready to learn how to enhance your diet and support your cardiovascular system, stick around as we dive into the best vegetables for unclogging arteries naturally. Your heart will thank you. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 1. Spinach. Thanks to its impressive nutrient profile, spinach is a powerhouse regarding heart health. This leafy green is exceptionally high in vitamins K and A, which are vital to maintaining cardiovascular health. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium in the arteries, preventing calcification, while vitamin A supports the integrity of blood vessels. Additionally, spinach is rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation contributes to heart disease, so incorporating spinach into your diet can promote better heart health. There are countless ways to enjoy spinach in your daily meals. You can toss it into salads for a fresh crunch, blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost, or sauté it with garlic as a delicious side dish. Whether raw or cooked, adding spinach to your diet is an easy and effective way to support your cardiovascular system while enjoying its vibrant flavor. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is not just a versatile vegetable, it's also a fantastic ally for heart health and optimal artery function. One of its standout compounds is sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce arterial plaque buildup. By combating oxidative stress, sulforaphane supports the health of your blood vessels, promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to sulforaphane, broccoli is rich in dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in lowering cholesterol levels. Fiber helps bind to cholesterol in the digestive system, facilitating its removal from the body and contributing to overall heart health. To maximize broccoli's nutritional benefits, consider cooking methods that preserve its nutrients. Steaming is an excellent option, as it retains more vitamins than boiling. You can also enjoy it raw in salads or as a crunchy snack with hummus. By incorporating broccoli into your meals, you're taking a delicious step toward a healthier heart and arteries. 3. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerful ally for cardiovascular health. One of its essential active compounds, allicin, has been shown to help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving overall circulation. This can lead to a significant reduction in the risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition to its blood pressure lowering effects, garlic is known for its ability to reduce cholesterol levels. It helps to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while promoting HDL, good cholesterol, contributing to a healthier lipid profile and better heart function. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. You can add minced garlic to sautéed vegetables, mix it into marinades for meats, or use it as a base for sauces and dressings. Roasting garlic brings out its natural sweetness, making it a tasty spread for bread or a flavorful addition to mashed potatoes. By adding garlic to your meals, you're not only enhancing flavor, but also supporting your heart health. 4. Beets are a vibrant and nutritious vegetable with impressive heart health and blood flow benefits. One of the standout features of beets is their high nitrate content, which can help lower blood pressure. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, ultimately reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. In addition to their nitrate benefits, beets are packed with antioxidants, such as betalains, which are crucial in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a significant factor in heart disease, so incorporating beets into your diet can be a proactive measure for maintaining heart health. There are many delicious ways to enjoy beets. You can roast them and toss them into salads for a sweet, earthy flavor, or grate them raw for a crunchy texture. Beets blend beautifully into smoothies, adding a natural sweetness and vibrant color. You're taking a flavorful step toward better heart health and improved blood flow by including beets in your meals. 5. Carrots. Carrots are a crunchy, delicious snack and a fantastic addition to your heart-healthy diet. One of the critical benefits of carrots is their high fiber content, which plays a significant role in managing cholesterol levels. Fiber helps bind cholesterol in the digestive system, promoting excretion and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol levels. In addition to fiber, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant orange color. Beta-carotene helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation, essential to maintaining heart health. There are countless ways to enjoy carrots in your meals. You can munch on them raw as a refreshing snack or dip them in hummus for added flavor. Cooking carrots can enhance their natural sweetness. Try roasting them with olive oil or adding them to soups and stews. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you're boosting your heart health and enjoying a versatile and tasty vegetable. 6. Tomatoes are not just a staple in many kitchens. They are also packed with heart-healthy properties that can significantly benefit your cardiovascular system. One of the most notable nutrients in tomatoes is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps lower LDL cholesterol levels and protects blood vessels from damage, making it a vital component of a heart-healthy diet. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and potassium. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and supporting overall immune function, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. Incorporating tomatoes into your meals is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them fresh in salads, blend them into sauces, or roast them for a rich, concentrated flavor. Adding diced tomatoes to soups and stews enhances both taste and nutrition. By including tomatoes in your diet, you're taking a flavorful step toward better heart health and overall wellness. Avocado. Avocados are often celebrated as a superfood for good reason. They are rich in monounsaturated, heart-healthy fats that can help lower harmful cholesterol levels, LDL, while raising good cholesterol, HDL. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to their healthy fats, avocados are packed with dietary fiber. Fiber plays a vital role in heart health by helping to regulate cholesterol levels and promoting healthy digestion. A diet high in fiber can also help control blood pressure and reduce inflammation, further supporting cardiovascular wellness. Incorporating avocados into your meals is easy and delicious. You can slice them onto toast for a nutritious breakfast, blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture, or add them to salads for a satisfying crunch. They also make a fantastic base for guacamole, perfect for dipping veggies or spreading on sandwiches. You're taking a delicious step toward better heart health by including avocados. 8. Kale. Kale is often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, especially in supporting cardiovascular health. This leafy green is exceptionally high in vitamin C and K. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect blood vessels from damage and supports overall immune function. In contrast, vitamin K is crucial in regulating calcium in the arteries, helping prevent calcification and maintain healthy blood flow. In addition to these vitamins, kale is rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin and camphorol, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a significant risk factor for heart disease, so incorporating kale into your diet can be a proactive measure for maintaining heart health. There are many delicious ways to enjoy kale. You can toss it into salads for a nutrient-dense base, massage it with olive oil and lemon juice to soften its texture, or blend it into smoothies for a vibrant green boost. By adding kale to your meals, you're taking a flavorful step toward better cardiovascular health. 9. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful, crunchy, and packed with heart-healthy benefits, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. One of their standout features is their high vitamin C content. This essential vitamin combats oxidative stress and inflammation to play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to vitamin C, bell peppers are rich in antioxidants, such as carotenoids and flavonoids, which help protect the body from free radical damage. These antioxidants contribute to overall cardiovascular health by improving circulation and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating bell peppers into your meals is easy and versatile. You can enjoy them raw in salads or as a crunchy snack with hummus. They also make a great addition to stir-fries, fajitas, or roasted vegetable medleys. Stuffing bell peppers with grains, beans, or lean proteins creates a delicious and nutritious main dish. By adding bell peppers to your diet, you're taking a flavorful step toward better heart health. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are delicious and nutritious powerhouses contributing significantly to heart health. One of their key benefits is their high fiber content, which helps lower cholesterol levels and supports healthy digestion. Additionally, sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, a vital mineral that regulates blood pressure and maintains proper heart function. Another advantage of sweet potatoes is their low glycemic index, which means they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly. This property benefits blood sugar control, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their glucose levels while still enjoying a satisfying carbohydrate. To maximize the health benefits of sweet potatoes, consider baking or steaming them instead of frying them. Roasting them with a drizzle of olive oil enhances their natural sweetness while retaining nutrients. You can also mash them, add them to soups, or incorporate them into casseroles. You're taking a flavorful step toward better heart health and overall nutrition by including sweet potatoes in your meals. This video explored the incredible heart-healthy benefits of various vegetables, including spinach, broccoli, garlic, beets, carrots, tomatoes, avocados, kale, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. These nutrient-rich foods support cardiovascular health, from lowering cholesterol levels to reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily meals can help you take actionable steps toward enhancing your heart health. Small changes can significantly impact your overall well-being, whether you add spinach to your salads, roast sweet potatoes, or blend kale into smoothies. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Remember to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these heart-healthy insights. Together, we can promote better heart health and inspire others to make nutritious choices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.